Mini PCs have evolved into powerful space-saving machines, offering high-performance computing in a compact form factor. Whether you need a sleek Apple desktop, a gaming powerhouse, or a business-ready workstation, these top picks will deliver speed, efficiency, and versatility. Apple 2024 Mac Mini, the ultimate Mac experience in a compact form. The Apple Mac Mini 2024 is built for Apple intelligence, featuring the M4 chip with a 10-core CPU and 10-core GPU. With 16 gigabytes unified memory and 512 gigabytes SSD storage, it delivers lightning-fast performance for creative professionals, developers, and everyday users. The optimized macOS experience ensures seamless multitasking, while AppleCare Plus provides extended protection. If you're deep in the Apple ecosystem, this is the best mini PC for macOS users. Check the description below for the best deals on this Apple powerhouse. GMKtec M5 Plus, gaming-ready mini PC with 444K display support for gamers and power users. The GMKtec M5 Plus packs a Ryzen 75825U processor, upgraded 7430U/5700U, 32 gigabytes RAM, and 1 terabyte SSD. Its dual NIC LAN with 2.5 gigabits per second ensures ultra-fast networking, while Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2 provide seamless connectivity. With 444K display support via USB-C, DP, and HDMI 2.0, this mini PC is perfect for immersive gaming and multitasking. Check the description below for the best deals on this gaming beast. Geekom AX8 Pro AI Mini PC, AI-optimized performance for professionals. The Geekom AX8 Pro is built for AI-driven workloads, featuring an AMD Ryzen R7 8745HS processor, 8 cores, 16 threads, up to 3.2 GHz, 4.9 GHz, 32 GB DDR5 RAM, and 512 GB PCIe Gen 4 SSD. With AMD Radeon 780M graphics, Wi-Fi 6E, and 2.5G LAN, it's ideal for content creators, developers, and professionals who need high-speed computing. Check the description below for the best deals on this AI-powered mini PC. Minisforum UM790 Pro, high-end performance with 64 gigabytes RAM. For power users who demand top-tier specs, the Minisforum UM790 Pro delivers AMD Ryzen 97940HS, 64 gigabytes DDR5 RAM, and 1 terabyte SSD. With AMD Radeon 780M graphics, 4 USB 3.2, 2 USB 4, and dual HDMI 2.1, it supports multiple high-resolution displays. The Wi-Fi 6E and RJ45 2.5G LAN ensure ultra-fast connectivity, making it perfect for gaming, video editing, and workstation tasks. Check the description below for the best deals on this high-performance mini PC. Dell OptiPlex 7020 MFF, business-ready mini PC with Intel 14th Gen Intel 14 Core i5. For business professionals, the Dell OptiPlex 7020 MFF offers a 14th Gen Intel 14 Core i5-1450T processor, beating i7-13700T, 16 gigabytes DDR5 RAM, and 512 gigabytes PCIe SSD. With Wi-Fi 6E, dual display ports, and HDMI, it's optimized for office productivity, remote work, and enterprise applications. Check the description below for the best deals on this business mini PC. Whether you need a Mac-powered workstation, a gaming-ready mini PC, or a business-friendly desktop, these compact powerhouses will deliver speed, efficiency, and versatility. Check the description below for the best deals and upgrade your setup today.